Today you're going to learn how to create Among Us character, or you can make characters which you can just copy and paste later. The dimensions are located in the create an Among Us character. Using these dimensions, the legs, the main body, face, and the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Create a new design. Select a cylinder and a sphere. When you click the cylinder, select the slides all the way to 64. The sphere, change the steps all the way to the right, which is 24. Make another copy of the sphere. Let me do it again. Or you can do copy and paste. It's the same result. Lift the cylinder by 10. Lift one of the spheres by 20. Carefully drag the two spheres to the body. So this one I accidentally make two copies, so I can delete that one. Switch to the top view. Select all, align them. So once they're perfectly aligned, okay, you're going to select all, copy, make 3 copies of it. So these 3 copies, you're going to use it, okay? So the first one will be for the body, okay? This is for the legs, the backpack, and the shield, or the face. So you have to go group, change the dimension to 22, 16, this is 32. I will put the dimensions in the comments section of the video. Lift the body by 8. So get one of this. Remove the top sphere. Group it. Change the dimension to 10, 10 by 20. Now, you can actually change this to the color you want, but for this drawing, I'm going to be using orange. Okay. Make another copy of the leg. So now you have 2. Switch to the top view. Change it to orthographic view. Make sure they are aligned in the front. Now put them as close as possible. Okay. Drag the body to the legs. Switch to the top view. Select align. Make sure you line up only this one. Center them there. Okay, not this one because both legs will be there at the center. Now, you need to align this to the body and the leg all the way here to the left. So press and hold the shift key. Click the ones that you want. So I'm just only clicking the body and the leg. I'll do it again. Want them to be aligned. It's already aligned here to the left. Now do the same thing on the other side. Press and hold the shift key. If it doesn't work, be patient. Okay, the leg and the body only. Align it here. There you go. So I created a one. So now I'm going to create the face shield. Let me see. Move this whole thing here. Group them. Change the dimension to 14, 16 by 12. Change it to the correct color. So it's probably kind of like bluish green. Change the dimension to 14, 16, and is it already correct? So I want you to lift this by 24. Carefully drag it to the main body. Switch to the top view. I always like it to orthographic view so it's flat. Okay, so I messed up the dimension. So this one's supposed to be 14.6. Okay, there we go. And you're still gonna lift it by, I mean the height is still 12 and lift it by 24. Okay, it's correct. I noticed that it's wrong. So from there, switch back here, carefully drag it to base here, switch it to flat. You can put it, you know, how far you want. So at this point, you're gonna press select the body and the face only. Don't include the legs. Again, face and the body. You're gonna align, don't include the legs because the legs will be centered. So make sure it's centered. For this one, it's already centered, so no need to click it. But sometimes, yeah, it doesn't work on the first time. Okay, so once that one is already centered, click home, switch back to orthographic view or one-point perspective view and check. So it looks correct. Now I'm gonna go make the backpack. Go ahead and group it. Okay, it's rated orange. Change the dimension to 12, 10, and 16. Carefully drag it to the back. Okay, but before you drag that one, lift it by 10. Okay, home, switch to top view, orthographic view, and you can also, let me see, I also like selecting all, and then there, view, zoom, view, fit view to selected shapes. So now you're gonna select the body and the backpack only, and click align, make sure it is centered. So it's already centered mine. I'm lucky with that one also. And click home. And you finish the first one. Now, you can make several copies of this. And then you can just, you know, select all, copy. How many times did I copy it? Okay. Then you can actually change the color before you group them. So like this one, I want to change it to red. Just press and hold shift. Like everything except the shield, they all have that shield. There you go. Change this to red. Okay, so that's orange, and I'm gonna change this to yellow. And no, you can, yeah, continue and go on and change it to whatever color that you like. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop from here. So once you already have it with the color that you like, you can group them. And you select the color here and make sure you check multicolor so the shield will go back to its original. You do the grouping when you're already finished, because if you do it before you finish, you cannot change the color anymore. Okay, so that's it for now. When you're done, select send to, go scroll down, invite people, and then create a new link, copy the link, and of course submit that one here in It's Learning. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.